Hey, this video is to explain how to use my kitchen renovation checklist. So we're going to start here at the top. You can put your date in here, so you can double click in and put the date. Your project could be, anything you would like to name it. And then the goal date, we can change that to whatever date you would like. Or you can double click and put the date in as well. The supplies are here. You're welcome to change this as well to whatever you'd like. So this is just a handy little list. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. So this is just a handy list of things that you might use to renovate your kitchen. Knobs, handles, hinges, soft close, hardware, sink faucet, just different things that you might need. Here's more items that need to be purchased. Now you can add in your own items here. Like this, just type it in. Once you've purchased it, you just check it off. And then, like I said, you can rename this if you want. I did put a place here for the budget, and you're welcome to rename this, or if you want to rename this here, you just type it in. And then if your estimated budget for the interior designer, say it's $2,500, once you hit enter, it totals that up here, and then this is your actual how much you actually spent. You're welcome to redo this completely however you want to do this, completely customizable. Down here is a shopping list. There's notes. So you just, highlight this, hit delete, put your notes here. Shopping list, check it off once you've done. That kind of thing. I also have a completely blank one as well. So if you didn't like any of the things that I had, if you wanted to start fresh, you're welcome to have a blank one here. If you wanted to print it out, you would just go to File and Print. So I've got this set up to be, trying to move this out of the way. Okay, well this says print current sheet and it's on landscape. If you did portrait, I've got fit to width. So if you did normal, it would be a little funky. Landscape would have, most of what you needed. So if you did fit to width, it would be like that, or fit to page. Custom number, if you wanted to do 90%, you could do that. Let's see, 75, 60 would kind of print it out a little bit better, and you could also have that printed out to where it's the blank one also. So that's how you print it out if you wanted to print it out and take it with you. Once I'm done with this video, on the README tab, you just click on it. It'll have the link to the YouTube video. Now, just being aware, I do have an Excel version. So if you do have the Excel version, it's going to look a little differently. The checkboxes will not be there. It'll just kind of look more like let's see, hold on a second. The Excel version will kind of look more like this, and then you'll just put an X in there for when you purchase something. It just makes it easier, and then the double click for the date will not work. You'll just have to manually type in the date. So that's how the Excel version works. It will look a little different. Anyways, but when you're done, you'll have the YouTube video to see the Google Sheets version. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can find me at savvyandthriving.com. Thanks.